Oh yeah! So let's jump.
Oh, that.
I'm a huge fan of Gawx Art. I have always been a fan of Gawx. I don't know how many of you watching this video have been following him, but I remember even before he started getting these many views, the one collaboration that he had with Shrimpy. Even before that, I had checked his videos. I loved the way he did the illustrations. They were on the same front as Vex does it, so I loved it because I'm not good at it. I have been trying it, but I could never upload those kind of illustrations because I don't feel they look professional. But I envy these guys, all of them, and Gawx especially, and how Gawx have emerged from small to medium and to a seriously big YouTuber now. And each one of these YouTubers, they seriously are a kind of an inspiration to all us drawing YouTubers who are trying to make it big. The day he revealed his face, when he reached 1 million, that's when I captured a screenshot of his face. So Gawx, if you're watching, I hope you're watching, guys. Please help me reach him so that he can watch this video. So Gawx, if you're listening to me, then I am sorry if you do not want your specs to be seen, but I captured it on that day and I was really very much excited. I don't know how many fans of yours must be there are, because you have literally crossed the million mark, so there are many thousands of them who have been drooling on that day. But I must say that similarly I was really very excited, and that was superb, such an awesome situation. I liked videos like the one where Gawx makes his garage, like the one where he paints his garage and his father finds out and it says that's a surprise to him, and that's awesome. I like the one where he collaborated with the ZHC, and that one was epic. PewDiePie and Breaking T series. Even though I'm from India, I must say that I loved the drawing. It was epic, as I said. I loved it. Then the way he shows his videos, he's a superb artist, but I think he's even a much better editor if he edits his videos. I guess he edits himself, because I have been following him on Instagram and have seen that he shows his editing clips, the Premiere Pro screens, where there is a juggernaut of lots of small videos, audios, and everything whatnot. So I have always been a follower of yours, Gawx. If you're listening, I hope again that someone helps me reach you. So thanks for doing what you do, and you are superb in that, and your scream that "oh yeah" is something. I don't know, I can, even when I say this, I can listen it in my mind somehow. So I am a big fan. I don't know whether you understand with my words or not. I didn't even talk about the drawing much because it's just a realistic drawing that I tried of your face. Then on the bottom part, I tried to replicate the one drawing that you did. I'm sorry if I know, because my markers will not look good. So I just had a second thought whether I should go for it or not. So I made the drawing as I thought I should, and then I used the fine liners to do the outlines of this, as you say, the sexy lines. I did it. But then I had a second thought whether I should go with the markers which are just not blendable. Hence, I had put this alternate ending. As you can see, yeah, this one was an alternate ending. I thought, let's do the ending part here. Maybe I will not be able to do anything. But then I said, let's give it a try. I already have the ending. I have nothing to lose. Hope I can even bring a photograph of it and show it to Gawx somehow. Then I went on with my bad looking markers and their colors, because they're so cheap that they definitely do not look good in your kind of illustration. Actually, it is taken from one Instagram post that Gawx had of himself, I believe. The one where he's wearing his jacket, the one which is synonymous now with him, and there is a bottle around and I guess a puppy. So I just tried to do it. I guess the jacket was of Nike. He even mentioned Nike in the post. As you can realize now that I'm a very big Gawx fan, so Gawx, again, if you're listening, I'm a big fan here. If anybody has seen the video, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel because I need it. I want to reach Gawx. I'll be bringing more of these videos soon. See you in the next video.
Oh yeah!